Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming cells and modules match, voltage, capacity, and BMS specs. Once done, remove any factory housing and label terminals so you don't mix polarity. Make a test jig. Mount the Magsafe coil on a flat non-ferrous board and place a phone on it to verify alignment and power transfer. Then, strip and tin leads, pre-fit the USB-C PD module into the enclosure, and route wires to minimize electromagnetic interference before permanent soldering. Now you wire the heart of the pack. Connect cell pack outputs to the BMS, then route BMS outputs to the USB-C PD and the Magsafe transmitter. Make sure you create secure mechanical strain relief so vibrations won't fatigue joints. Use a thin EMI shield between coil and cells to reduce heating. Thermal paths matter. Once wired, power the board briefly at low current to confirm negotiation and that the coil begins supplying stable output. Make adjustments to coil spacing and magnet centering if needed. Finish by seating the internal components with thermal pads and securing screws to avoid movement. You should run 3 full charge/discharge cycles while monitoring temperature and voltage balance. Make sure the PD module negotiates correct wattage and the Magsafe snaps online. If the pack fails, first inspect for cold solder joints and magnet misalignment, then check BMS balance and thermistor placement. Finally, seal the enclosure and label input/output specs so you and others know safe operating limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.